Welcome to the ClearCheckbook tutorial series. ClearCheckbook is an application that helps you manage your finances online. Need a better way to track payments made to specific people or businesses and get reports based on that spending? Our Payee Management tool is the solution. By recording your payees, you simplify transaction entry and enable detailed payee-based reporting. In this quick video, learn how to set up your payees for easier tracking and more insightful financial analysis. Let's get started. The Payee Management tool can be found through the Tools link at the top of the page. The Payee Management tool can be seen as an addition to the Payee field when adding and editing transactions. This tool gives you the ability to set additional information about your payees, such as a contact name and contact information. It also makes it easier to view transactions and spending data for your payees. The Payee Management tool will show an Add Payee form, plus a list of all the payees you've already added to the tool. First, let's look at the current payees list and the different options here. The list shows the payee name followed by any optional information you've added for them. I've set up some payees for a fictional business, and I have a mix of individuals and businesses here. Next to the payee name is a search icon. Clicking on this will take you to a search results page showing every transaction that has been assigned to this payee. There are also edit and delete icons to modify the payee. If you delete a payee, it won't affect any transactions that have been assigned to that payee. Now let's see what adding a new payee looks like. My fictional company hired a new business to handle data analysis. The name of this payee is Northbridge Analytics. Next, I'll expand the optional fields to see the other information we can enter. Our contact person at Northbridge is named Eli Monroe, so I'll enter that into the contact name field. I'll leave the contact details blank, but you can enter that information here if needed. For the note, I'll add a reminder what the payee does. I'll say New Data Analysis as of April 2025, so I can easily see what they do. After adding the payee, it now shows up in my payee list. I want to show you how the payees from the Payee Management tool show up when you're adding transactions. I'm going to open the Add Transaction form and record a $900 payment to one of my payees. I add $900 to the amount field, set the description to Event Planning Deposit, and then go to the Pay field. The payee's name is Tanya Morrison, so I'll start typing T, then A. As I type, you'll notice some suggestions pop up. Tanya's name appears at the top of the suggestion list, under the Custom Payees header. This lets me know that she's one of the payees from my Payee Management tool. The other two payees are ones I've added to transactions in the past, but haven't been added to the Payee Management tool. I'll click on Tanya's name to populate the payee field. I'll select my business checking account and then select entertainment as the category. Before looking at the various payee reports, I want to show you how you can import existing payees into the Payee Management tool if they've only been added to transactions. To do this, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Payee Import link. Remember seeing the Tan Van payee when I was typing Tanya's name? I'm planning on using them more often now and want to add them to the Payee Management tool. I'll click the green Add button next to their name, and then they'll show up when I go back to the Payee Management tool. Now let's look at some of the reports specific to payees. There are some quick links at the top of the Payee tool that takes you to these reports. The first we'll look at is called Monthly Payee Summary. This shows a report of all your payees with a breakdown of deposits and withdrawals for them by month. This report will show a list of all payees, not just those in the Payee Management tool. You can modify options at the top of the report to adjust the date range and how figures are calculated in the report. Clicking on a payee name or on any of the cells in the table will show a list of transactions that match that payee or payee plus month. Going back to the Payee tool, I'll click on the next report, which is called Overall Payee Report. This report will show you payees that match certain search criteria, including date range, account, and category. If I only wanted to view payees who I paid from my business checking account, regardless of category, for the current year, I can easily do that. The result shows each payee and the total amount of debits and credits made to them. Clicking on the payee name will show all of the transactions that are used to calculate those totals. These reports can also be found from the Actual Reports tool under the Beta tab. The last thing I'll show you is the Payee Management gadget for the account dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Add New Gadget link and then select the Payee Management gadget from the gadget list. When added, you'll see a list of your payees and their contact information with the same search link to view all of their transactions. I hope this was informative and gave you a glimpse of how managing your payees makes running reports and organizing them easier. You can learn more about all of the settings and features related to the Payee Management tool by clicking on the green Help link at the top right side of the Payee Management page.